Hi everyone, we're back. We've now got the Clio on the jig. We've got some parts now which we've been waiting for it to come in. So now we can give the side of it a pull, see if we can get some door gaps on it and get the new seal put into it. It's just me and Buddy just chilling this afternoon. Say hello, Bud. He's not very talkative, bless him. Well, I've given it a pull now. Take some of the bow out of the seal. I've give it a pull on here and here to take the bow on the outside. I've also given it a pull on here because the inner seal was leaning in a little bit. As you can see, it's got quite a lot of filler in it before, fiberglass and all sorts. So clearly in its racing life, it's had a bit in the side once or twice. So now what I'll do is I'll hang the doors on it, because the panels always tell you a lot more than what your eye can. So I will put the doors on it, try the wing on, and then see how much more we've got to pull it and where it needs. Well, I've hung the doors. Straight away it shows me a couple of things. It's sticking out at the top here, at the back, but levelish at the bottom, and then you look at this front door and the bottom of the rear door sitting in. So that automatically tells me if the bottom of this comes out, it will take the top of that in. So this pillar's still in a little bit, so we'll take the door back off and give it a bit of a pull and see if we can get it out a little bit more. Hey buddy. Yes mate. Okay, I've given it a second pull, re-hung the doors and the wing, and we now seem to have some gaps on the panels. So now next stage, let's cut the seal off and see what's underneath. The Clio now has got all the seal welded in, had the joints filled up, so now we can get it off the jig. I've also had to put an end plate in on the front chassis here where it had a little bit of damage, so now we can get it off, get it in primer and get it painted. So the Clio's now in the booth, ready for a cut of wet on wet and a couple of coats of white. So let's go and mix some paint. Now it's painted, we can get it out of the oven and start fitting it back up. Yeah, so finally we're at the finish line. It's all fitted up, ready to go back to the race team. They've got a few mechanical jobs to do to it to get it ready to the track, but everything we've done, it all fits nice. I've put all the lights and everything bumper back on it, even though they're going to have to take it off. So they've got radiators and stuff to put in it, but I want to make sure that everything fits and they're happy with it. Looks nice down the side now. Everything fits, got nice gaps. So yeah, it's back to how it should be. So hopefully soon it can go back doing what it does, race.